Welcome back to C# Code. By the end of this video, we'll have a dynamic homepage for our Bookstore website, displaying books with genre filtering and search functionality. We'll also create navigation features, allowing users to click on a book to visit its dedicated products page or click on an author name to see a page listing all their books. Let's get started. Before we begin, note that I have added a description property to the book class and this fiction property to the genre class. The update method in each repository has been updated, and I have included a new database migration. Let's start with the main layout component. In the navbar, I've added a cart link for logged-in users and replaced login and logout with icons. I've also created a matching style sheet for MainLayout for styling. The register link is now located within the login page. Now, by clicking on a single icon, users can either sign in or register, simplifying the process. Let's shift our focus to the index page. Now, I've included the necessary repository references and created a corresponding style sheet. A new navbar has been added beneath the main one, hosting an All Books button and Fiction and a Non-Fiction drop-down menu for genre selection. Currently, these links are inactive, so let's bring them to life. I've crafted 2 book lists and 1 genre list, each populated from their respective repositories. In our drop-down menus, we'll loop through each genre and populate the list based on the isFiction property. When a user clicks on a genre, we want our filtered books list to refresh with books of the selected genre. To achieve this, we'll attach an on-click event to each genre, calling a select genre method. Next, we'll instantiate a new genre called selected genre, and then define the select genre method. This method will update the filtered books list with books of the selected genre. I've also implemented the search books component and passed in the list of books and the update book list method. And with that, our homepage navigation menu is all set. Within our page container, we'll display the genre name and its description if a genre has been selected. We'll then showcase the books by iterating over each one in the filtered books list. For each book, we'll display its cover and set it up such that a click navigates the user to the book page. To achieve this, we'll add an on-click event and create a go-to-book page method. We'll do the same for the title. Next, we'll display the author's name, which also navigates to the author page when clicked. We'll then add an Add to Cart button. Here, I forgot to add the price, but I'm gonna add that later. As you can see from this test, everything is functional, but it doesn't look right. Let's rectify that with some styling. Now, our page is not only functional, but also looks very good. The last steps are creating the book and author pages. Let's begin with the book page. I've established a new folder for organization, within which I created the book page component and its respective style sheet. On this page, we'll capture the book ID and use it to retrieve the book from the repository. We'll then store the book's author in a new author object. The page container will display the book's author name, title, description, and an Add to Cart button. Clicking the author's name will navigate the user to the author page. Now, let's create the author page and its matching style sheet. In the code, we retrieve the author by the ID parameter from the URL. To display the author's book, we'll include them in the author repository. The page will display information about the author and list their books. Each book will link to its respective page via the go-to-book page method. Now, let's do some styling. And there we have it. Our author page is functioning well and looks great. We can enhance it later by adding features like the author's picture and more. That's it for this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow developers, and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.